Hey guys, how's it going? So in this video, we're going to be talking about Dogecoin going to 10 cents. At least in my opinion. I could be wrong, and next month we could see this thing back to 50 cents or to $1. I don't know at the end of the day. I'm just giving you a perspective that I think it's going to go to 10 cents in the future here. Could I be wrong? Absolutely. Could it go back to 50 cents or 70 cents in the short term here? There's a probability, but I highly doubt it. From a charting perspective, it looks like it's downtrending. It's right now hitting the 50-day moving average, and I think it's going to break that, and I think it's going to go down further. But that is my opinion, and my reasoning is because I think Bitcoin is going to go down to $20,000 in the short term here. So, well, at least this guy thinks anyways. This guy's this guy's an expert, and he thinks that Bitcoin can go as low as $20,000. And if that happens, I think Dogecoin's gonna go to 5 to 10 cents in the future here. But, only time will tell if I'm right or wrong. Look at the volume's already starting to die off. As we can see, volume is completely dead right now, but only time will tell where Dogecoin will ultimately go. So this guy right here, I was just listening to him. He's on Greg Manarino. He was talking about that he thinks that the sell-off is not over and that cryptocurrency is going to go down further. And then this guy, a YouTuber that I respect, he talks about charting, and he thinks that there's a possibility that we're in a bear market. But I'll play what he has to say, a little bit of a clip of what he has to say, then I'll talk more about it.
Significantly reduced. That's all I'm saying. Oh, one more thing. There is actually another pattern you want to watch out for, which is, let's imagine the price does fall below the 21 and the 34 moving averages, and then rallies, bounces back to the 21, and then fails and drops back down again. What I'm saying is, guys, there's another pattern which shows that a bear market could be starting. And that pattern is, in a bear market, in a downtrend, rallies get sold. Rallies get rejected and they fail. For example, in a bear market, what you see is any rallies back up to the 21 or near the 21 average on the weekly, they get rejected and price drops back down again. We saw this in 2018, for example, and also in previous years as well. When price in a bear market, what price does is goes back to resistance, price bounces back to resistance, like a moving average, like the 21 average, and then fails to stay above that key level, the 21 average, and then drops back down again. So failure. Hi guys, how you doing? Got some people here who are having a good time. Okay. So failure of price to hold above the resistance levels, like a 21 average, is a devastating signal, especially for Bitcoin. And that could mean we could see a bear market starting. And that is why we want to be prepared for that if it happens. All right, guys. So the next thing I want to tell you is this. The next thing is that, look, I'm not expecting a bear market this year. Okay, I want to make it very clear in case you think that I'm being very bearish. I'm expecting a bear market downtrend this year. No, look, I don't know. I mean, it might happen, it's possible, but I think it's less likely. All I'm saying is that on the balance of probabilities, when this pattern occurs, and it will at some point occur, I think this pattern very likely could happen once we see the beginning of a bear market. I don't think it's going to happen this year, maybe in the next few years, potentially on Bitcoin. But the bottom line is, the main takeaway is that if you see one of these two patterns, either a bounce off the 21 average after a pullback and then going back below it again, or rejection of price from resistance, so price rallying back to resistance like a moving average and getting rejected from that level and falling back down again, rallies getting sold, that's another sign of a bear market. Another sign of a bear market is usually that when sentiment gets crushed, when people become very bearish and pessimistic, it doesn't usually result in rallies. So in a bear market, despite pessimistic, oversold, over bearish sentiment, you don't see price forming a bottom and rallying higher again. In fact, quite the opposite. In bear markets, negative or pessimistic sentiment does not result in a market bottom. So that's another thing you want to watch out for. Guys, I got to tell you, this place is really relaxing. I would highly recommend, if you come to Iran, even just visiting, you know, come to this place in the north of Iran. It's called Sisangan Jungle, or Sisangan Forest. Over here in Persia, in Iran, they call forests jungle. But anyway, whatever it is, come and visit this place. It's really nice. All right, guys, I hope this video has helped. And if it has, please give it a thumbs up. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video update. Cheers, guys. Hey, guys. We just stopped again.
Well, he doesn't expect a bear market, but the sentiment right now is bearish. Like, according to this crypto expert, he thinks Bitcoin goes as low as 20K, and Dogecoin right now looks like it's downtrending. So, I mean, if Dogecoin breaks 25 cents, oh my God, that's definitely gonna go down to, you know, 10 to 5 cents again, and all those Dogecoin millionaires, oh, they're gonna get crushed so hard. And then all the people like Jeremy and Graham Stephan and me, Kevin, they're gonna all load up at 5 cents. The second time it goes down there again. So if it goes down there again, I'm not gambling that it's gonna go down there. I'm gonna gamble it's gonna go down to 10 cents. That's when I'm going to be buying heavily into Dogecoin. If it does, I don't know. We'll see. But if Bitcoin goes down to 20K, I'm fairly confident that Dogecoin will go down to 5 to 10 cents. But that's my opinion. Also, you can also, you know, if you like Cardano better than Dogecoin, this is also a good alternative. They have big plans in store for the currency. XRP could be also a good one too. Right now it's down to 88 cents. This thing could like go down to like 25 cents, 22 cents. You could, you know, 5-10x your money if this thing goes back to $1.56. So that one's a good one too. It's up to you what you want to buy, but I'm just pointing that out. So yeah. Anyways, that is it for this video. Oh man, I got like another 30 seconds to go. Voyager, I think Voyager is probably gonna go down further. I was kind of bullish on this. I still am bullish on the business, but because of crypto taking oh, look like the VGX token's doing good today. I think not bad. Yeah, it's not bad today. So who knows? Who really knows at the end of the day? You know. So yeah. Anyways, that was just a little bit of time killer. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.